Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And in today's video I have for you 5 lipsticks under 500 that are absolutely worth your money. And yeah, like without any further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go. Okay, so I will be talking about 5 lipsticks. Irrespective of the shades, I mean, I'm just going to show you 5 shades over here, but this is not about the shade, it is about the formulation. I absolutely love the formulation of these lipsticks, so no matter what shade you buy from this whole lipstick collection, it's going to be bomb, right? So yeah, I mean, my video is not about the lipstick shade, it's about the formulation. So 5 lipstick formulations under 500 that absolutely you need to try. Yeah, that's that. Also, all of these will be linked on the description box if you want to check them out, if you want to buy them, if you want to try them out, affiliate links, check them out too. Okay, also I will be inserting bare skin lip swatches over here along with the lipsticks. Bare skin because I think there are many people that would want to know how these lipsticks look on bare skin. Also, I will be inserting pictures when I was wearing these lipsticks with makeup, but it's just that you wouldn't know properly how a lipstick looks with different eye makeup looks, right? So that is why I consider swatching on bare skin. So yeah, that is that. So starting off first, I think my favorite from the lot, like this formulation is my favorite, is this Maybelline, and this one is in the shade Burgundy Blush, 696 Burgundy Blush. I have tried Nude Nuance from this, I have tried Touch of Spice, I have tried Mysterious Mocha, I have tried the Brick collection as well, and no matter what shade you try, this lipstick is absolute bomb. And yeah, this is like a very dark burgundy shade, like a grungy color, which is very pretty, let me tell you that. And yeah, so this one retails for 299 rupees only, and during the sales you can obviously find them on cheaper prices. So yeah, I mean, it's even under 300, which is a steal deal. Now, this one is not transfer proof because it's very creamy, it is very rich, the color payoff is intensely rich. So obviously it's not transfer proof because it's not a liquid matte lipstick, right? So it can transfer, right? But nothing intense. Like, this is not something you are just going to cry about ki yaar kya le liya, because it's just beautiful, it's just beautiful. So yeah, I mean, out of all these 5 lipsticks, if there's one lipstick that I would highly recommend you ki abhi try karo, it's this, okay? Yeah. So from the house of Maybelline, there's another lipstick. Let's complete the Maybelline thing. This is the lip Gradation from Maybelline, and this is in the shade Mauve 1. Now I think, I'm not sure, but I think this is not under 500, like under 500, but the thing is, this is always on discount. I remember I got it for 490 something like that. It was under 500 when I got it. And the thing is that Maybelline is usually on some sort of sale going on, like Amazon pe hogi, agar Nykaa pe nahi hogi to Nykaa pe, Amazon pe nahi hogi to Purple pe hogi, is sab pe kahin nahi hogi to Shoppers Stop pe hogi. Kahin na kahin to Maybelline pe hamesha sale chalti hai, and you can find this on sale under 500 rupees. Again, a very beautiful color. I'm wearing it right now on my lips and it's very beautiful. This, let me tell you, is very beautiful. Third one has to be this Swiss Beauty lipstick. This is the Ultra HD matte lipstick, right? It's a very matte lipstick, let me say that. And yeah, it is very pretty. I mean, this is clearly a rip-off of Huda Beauty, right? But this is under, I believe, 350 ke under hai. This is the shade Coffee, and yeah, just look at it. It is such a beautiful color. Let me tell you, if there is a color that I absolutely love in this world, has to be this, because it's a very pretty color, right? I mean, these sort of browns are like my favorite. Again, this lipstick is very similar to Maybelline, but the only difference is the Maybelline is very creamy. This one is a little bit more, it feels matte, powder matte sort of thing on your lips, right? Again, very comfortable, a little less transfer proof than the Maybelline one, and beautiful formulation, beautiful everything. You can try any shade from this collection. The shades are pretty, like really pretty. Again, one of my faves. You need to try these because these are good. Let's talk about a liquid lipstick as well, and I have for you this Nicka K True Matte lipstick in Turkish Rose. I think this one is like a cult favorite of many people. If you have tried it, you would love it. That's that. If you are somebody who is a fan of a good pink color, I think Turkish Rose has to be the color there should be in your collection, right? If I want to have like a pink color in a look, in lipstick, I always gravitate towards Turkish Rose because it's such a pretty color. Very rosy pink color, looks very good, and it's matte. like true matte, but nothing that is going to dry your lips out so much कि आपको लगेगा कि क्यों लगा ली, ऐसा नहीं होगा. Because the formulation is very I would say comfortable, like not the most comfortable but इतनी बुरी भी नहीं है, right? And this is again under 500 rupees. You can find it on good discounts as well because it is usually on discount. Okay, Nika K is usually on discount, so you can find it very easily on discounts. So the last one, and I think this is the most cheapest from this lot, and it is this mask, Won't Smudge Won't Budge Lip Crayon, and this is in the shade Smile Please. And this color specifically is like a cult favorite. This is something people absolutely love buying because this is a very pinky toned color. These actually don't budge, don't smudge, they don't go anywhere, and yeah, this is how it looks. It's very pretty, very rosy pinky color. I mean, let me just swatch. This is a little bit lighter than Turkish Rose, although on camera you can't tell. No, there is. It is a little slightly bit more lighter than Turkish Rose, but it is very pretty. And yeah, that is that. Now, I think this is only for 200 rupees, 230 something, and you can buy it for under 200 rupees for sure, like for sure. And I think you can you need to definitely try this one out. And yeah, I think I have a very dedicated video for just this lip crayon. I will put that, right, I will just insert the link in the description box. You can try that out as well. If I find a dedicated video for any of these lipsticks, I will link that in the description box as well, because I do have them. Okay, I do have them, so you can get different swatches for different videos and different looks and everything, right? So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I think this is what I need to say. There's nothing more to say about a lipstick, let's be honest, and I think I've covered almost all the topics that you need to know, right? And yeah, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.